How to fix Microsoft Solitaire collection not working on Windows. 1. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. 2. Repair or reset the Solitaire collection app. 3. Update the Solitaire. Collection app via MS Store. 4. Restart or update graphics driver, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Clear Microsoft Store cache via ozreset.exe. 6. Re-register Microsoft Solitaire collection on Windows via PowerShell. Command, get apps package alusers Microsoft Solitaire collection for each apps package disable development mode register $__install location, \fxmanifest.xml.